Very good morning students. In the last session we have learned different divisibility tests for how to check given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8, 11. Now we will solve the actual examples. We'll move the exercise 3.3. Question number 1. In the question number 1, numbers are given and we have to check given number is divisible by these numbers. So first sum 128. So we'll check first for given numbers, is it divisible by 2 or not. What we are do, if given number is divisible by 2, put correct mark for that. And if it is not divisible by any other number, so put cross for that. Okay, because here there is no space to write a yes or no. So 128. So first, what is the rule to check given number is divisible by 2? You have to check ones place digit. If ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Here ones place digit is 8. So this number is divisible by 2. Clear? Now check the next number. Here ones place digit is 0. So of course this number is also divisible by 2. Then the third number, ones place digit is 6. And 6 is divisible by 2. So this whole number is divisible by 2. Then the next number 275. Now here ones place digit is 5, right? You can see, and 5 is not divisible by 2. So this number, that means 275, is not divisible by 2. Then the next number, you can check ones place digit, it is 6, and 6 is divisible by 2. So 6686 also divisible by 2. Then the next number 6,39,210. Just you have to focus on ones place digit. Here it is 0 ones place digit. So this number is divisible by 2. In this way we have checked given numbers are divisible by 2 or not divisible by 2 by simple rule. Now we'll move towards the 3. Are these given numbers are divisible by 3 or not? What we have to do here? For 3, you have to do the addition of digits whatever present in the given number. If that sum is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So first example we will take 128. Here I will explain you. 128. So we have to do addition of all digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 8. So what is the sum? 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Now tell me, 11, is it divisible by 3? No. So of course this number is not divisible by 3. In the same way we'll take another example, 990. Do the addition of all digits present in the given number. What is the addition? What is the sum? That is 18. Now is it 18 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 6 are 18. If you want to check, you can do the division like this one. 3 6 are 18, and of course here you go on remainder as a 0. That means the sum of all digits present in the 990 are divisible by 3. So that's why this number is divisible by 3. So put the correct mark because it is divisible by 3. Now next number 1586. Do the addition 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6. And what is the sum? What is the answer? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. And 14 plus 6 is the 20. Now, is it 20 divisible by 3? No. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. This 20 is not exactly divisible. See, if you want to check 20, check by 3. 3 6 are 18. Here 20 minus 18, here you will get remainder as a 2. Here you got remainder as a 2. That means 20 is not exactly divisible by 3. That means sum of all digits present in the 1586 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Is it clear to everyone? Now next number 275. Do the addition of all numbers present in the given number. So what is the addition? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Check 14. Is it divisible by 3? 3 4s are 12. Here you will get remainder as a 2. So this number also not divisible by 3. Now see, number in the same way. That means simple rules you have to check here, and you have to check given number is divisible by 3 or whatever number. It doesn't matter, number is 3 digit or more. Now the next number 6686. What is the sum of all digits? You can check here. What will be the answer? 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, and 20 plus 6 26, and 26 is not exactly divisible by 3. That's why this whole number means 6686 will not be divisible by 3. And the last number 6,39,210. So do the addition of all digits present in the given number, and the answer will be, you can check, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, and plus 1 21, plus the 0 is, what is the answer? 21. That means sum of digits present in this number is 21. And check now, 21, is it exactly divisible by 7? So 3 7s are 21. Here you got remainder as a 0. So this number is divisible by 3. So now for next number we'll check. First we'll take a simple example 5. What is the rule for 5? For 5 you have to check ones place digit if it is 0 or 5. See, you have to focus on ones place digit. If it is either 0 or 5, then that given number is divisible by 5. It's a very simple test for 5. So 8. So is it here 0 or 5? It is here 8 ones place digits. So of course this number is not divisible by 5. See the next number 990. Ones place digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. See here ones place digit is 6. As per the rule, if ones place digit is 0 or 5, then only that number is divisible by 5. But here 6. So this number is not divisible by 5. Here see, in 275 ones place digit is 5. So of course this number is divisible by 5. It's a very simple test for 5. Here in the next number ones place digit is 6. So as per the rule, this number is not divisible by 5. You can cross check. In the last sum, ones place digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Now very simple test for 10 also. For 10 number also you have to check ones place digit. If it is 0, then that number is divisible by 0. So we'll take first simple example. 128 ones place digit is 8. So this number is not divisible by 10. Here 0 ones place, you can see in 990 ones place digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. In the next sum, ones place digit is 6. So number is not divisible by 10. Here ones place digit is 5, not 0. So this number is also not divisible by 10. Here 6. So this number is also not divisible by 10. And in the last sum, 6,39,210. Ones place digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Now the next number for C. For 3 you have to check the addition of all digits, right? Same test is for 9. You have to do the sum of all digits present in the given number. If that sum is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. So what is the sum of 128? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And is it 11 divisible by 9? No. So this number is not divisible by 9. Here the sum of all digits. 9 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 18. And is it 18 divisible by 9? 9 2s are 18. So of course this number is divisible by 9. Means test of 9 is same like test of divisibility test like a 3. In the next number 1586. The sum of addition of all is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, and 20 is not divisible by 9. If you have to check 20, is it divisible by 9? 9 2s are 18. Here you will get 20 minus 18, remainder will be 2. And here you got remainder 2. So this number is not exactly divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. 275. Here you can check. Addition 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by, not completely or exactly divisible by 9. So 275 is also not divisible by 9. Next number 6686. Sum of all digits 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 6 26. and 26 is not completely divisible by 9. So this number also not divisible by 9. And the last sum, 6,39,210. The addition of all digits present in the given number, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, and 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Means addition of all digits is 21. And check, is it 21 divisible by 9? 9 2s are 18. 21 minus 18, here you will get remainder as a 3. So this number is not completely divisible by 9. That's why 6,39,210 is also not divisible by 9. I hope is it understand to everyone. Now divisibility test for 6. What is the rule? If the given number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. If that number is divisible by both numbers, then that number is divisible by 6. Now check which numbers. See, first number 128 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. So of course this number is not divisible by 6 also. See now, 990 is divisible by 2 as well by 3. So of course this number is divisible by 6. Then next number 1586 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 6 also as per the rule. See, next number 275 is not divisible by 2 as well as 3. So of course this number is not divisible by 6 also. See the next number 6686 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 6. And the last number 6,39,210 is divisible by 2 as well as by 3 also. That's why this number is divisible by 6 also. Then the next test for, what is the test for 4? What you have to check? To check given number is divisible by 4, you have to focus on last two digits, means ones place digit and tens place digit. See the first number 128, which is the number formed by ones place digit and tens place digit. In the 128, 8 is at ones place, 2 is tens place. So you have to focus on these two digits, means last two digits. Now check, 28, is it divisible by 4? 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. So here you got remainder as a 0, means you have to focus on last two digits. If these last two digits are completely divisible by 4, then that given number is divisible by 4. So 128 is divisible by 4. Now check the next number 990. Which are the last two digits? 90. The number formed by last two digits is 90. Now check 90 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8. 1. Bring down the 0. Number formed 10. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8. Here you will get remainder as 2. So this number will not be divisible by 4. Sorry, here I have marked here 8. So this number is not divisible by 4. Now focus on the last two digits, 86. Which number form 86? Check 86. Is it divisible by 4? 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Bring down the 6. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Here you got remainder as a 2. So this number is not divisible by 4. Then check the next number. Which number formed by the last two digits? 75. Check 75. Is it divisible by 4? 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Bring down this 5. 35 number form. 4 8s are 32. So here you will get remainder as a 3. So this number is also not divisible by 4. And the next number 6686. Which number formed by using last two digits? That is 86. Check 86. Is it divisible by 4 or not? 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Bring down the 6. 4 1s are 4. And here you will get remainder 2. So this number also not divisible by 4 also. So, and the last sum, that is 6,39,210. Which number is formed by using last two digits? That is 10. Now, is it 10 divisible by 4? 4 2s are 8. Here you will get 10 minus 8. Here you will get remainder as a 2. So, this number is not divisible by 4. Is it clear to everyone? Now, next one, given number. Now, see now, you have to check the divisibility test for 8. So, it's a simple like 4. For 4, we have to focus on last 2 digits, right? But for 8, you have to focus on last 3 digits. That is the only difference. See, for 8, which are the last 3 digits? 128. Check 128. Is it divisible by 8? 8 ones are 8. Now 12 minus 8. Here will be 4. Bring down this. 8, 4, 48 number form. 8 6 are 48. Right? So here you got remainder as a 0. So 128 is divisible by 8. Right? Now here second number is already 3 digits number. So check 990. Is it divisible by 8 or not? 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 1. Bring down this 9. 9 2s are 8 2s are 16. 9 minus 6 3. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down this 0 here. 8. Now check 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24. So 30 minus 24. Here you will get remainder as a 6. So 990 is not divisible by 8. See the next number 1586. So you have to check last 3 digits. So which number formed by using last 3 digits? That is 586. See 586. Check, is it divisible by 8? 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. 58 minus 56. Here will be remainder 2. 5 minus 5 0. Bring down this 6. 8 3s are 24. Here you will get a remainder as a 2. So this number is not divisible by 8. Then next number, check by yourself. Then we'll see the last number 6,39,210. Which number formed by using last 3 digits? That is 210. Check 210. Is it divisible by 8 or not? 8 2s are 16. 21 minus 16 is equal to 5. Bring down the 0. 8 6 are 48. And the remainder will be 2. So this number is not divisible by 8. In the same way you check. Okay, we'll see here 275. 275, is it divisible by 8 or not? 8 3s are 24. So here 7 minus 4. Here will be 3. Bring down this 5. 8 4s are 32. So here will be remainder 3. So this number 275 also not divisible by 8. We'll see the last sum. 6,686. Focus on the last 3 digits. That is 686. Check 686. Is it divisible by 8 or not? If you got remainder as a 0, then that number will be divisible by 8. So see 686. Is it divisible by 8? Check. 8 sevens are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 minus 4, remainder will be 4 here. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down this 6. Then 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. So 8 5s are here 40. So what will be the remainder here? 6. So this number is not divisible by 8 also. Now we'll see the divisibility test for 11, right? So we'll see the first number 128. So here is some 128. For 11, first thing you have to mark that numbers from the right side, odd places number, even, odd, even, like that, alternate. So first step, sum of odd places number, right? Odd place first digit is 8. and second digit is 1. So 8 plus 1. Please remember here I have, please listen the statement. Sum of odd places number, not odd numbers, odd places number, which only do we mark from the right side, odd, even, like that one. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Second step, sum of even places number. So even place number is only 2, 1 is here, okay, so 2. And the third step, difference. Here you have to find the difference between the sum of odd places number and sum of even places number. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Here you got answer as a 7, right? So 7 is the answer. As per the rule, if you got answer difference here either 0 or multiple of 11, then only that number is divisible by 11. Here you got answer as a 7. So this number is not divisible by 11. Why? Because here you got answer as a 7. So this number is not divisible by 11. Now third sum I have taken here 1586. First step done. Odd, even, that places numbers you have to mark. In the first step, sum of odd places number. So odd plus first digit is a 6. Then next one 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then the second step, sum of even places number. So even place number is 8 plus this one is equal to 9. Sum you got as a 9. Next step, you have to find the difference between these two sums. So 11 minus 9, here you got answer as 2. So now tell me, here you got answer 2. So tell me, is it given number is divisible by 11 or not? No. What is the rule? You either, if you got an answer 0 or a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So this number is also not divisible by 11. Yes. Now we'll take a E sum, A, B, C, D, E sum, that is 6686. Mark first odd, even. Then next step, sum of odd places number. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Then next step, sum of even places number. So even place number is 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. And the last step, you have to find difference. So 14 minus 12. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Here you got answer 2. As per the rule, if you got answer 0 or a multiple of 11, which are the multiple of 11? Table of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, like that one. Here you got answer 2. So this number is not divisible by 11. Okay, not divisible by 11. So here we'll write here, this number is not divisible by 11. Then last sum we'll take F sum, that is 6,39,210. Mark odd, even. Then sum of odd places number. So 0 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 5. Sum of even places number. So 1 plus 9 plus 6. Answer will be 16. And the last step, difference. So 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Here you got answer as a 11. And 11 is a multiple of 11, right? First multiple of 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Okay, divisible by 11. So here we'll mark here, yes, 6,39,210 is divisible by 11. Okay students, this is the question number 1. See, A, B, C, D, these many sums we have solved here. After this sum, after F sum, there are more 4 examples in the textbook. I will send you PDF. These 4 sums you have to solve as a homework. Means you have to check in the same format, in the same table. You have to put a cross or a correct mark as per the rule. This is the homework for you. So thank you.